Hello, fabulous. I'm so excited you're here. This is Beate Gillette, growth architect, founder of the Women's Code. If you are on this page, it means that you are deciding on whether or not you should join our Accountability Mastermind. So let me tell you a little bit about this. So I am a 8-time disaster survivor, and I have recognized and learned that a disaster, a problem, a recession, a earthquake, a fire, flood, tsunami, riots has a cadence to it. There's survival, there's opportunity, and there's recovery. I also found that when you are finding yourself in a position where the world is full of negativity, which it's so easy to fall into, you're really asked to, as a business owner, to do the opposite. You're asked to step up. You're asked to step into your brilliance. You're asked to step up and really show what you're made out of. Because if your business was this great, it wouldn't have happened to you the way it does. So while there's a pretty significant percentage of business owners expected to go out of business, mainly 40%, and that is a horrific number. But what it means is that those of us who are now actively making the pivot, doing the change, doing the adjustments, and really going inside to recognize what it is that you're called to do, I believe that that's exactly why you're here. Because you have heard or seen something that resonated with you, and now you need to figure out on whether or not you're going to pull the trigger. Because there's one part of your brain that's going to say, where you are right now is predictable, it's bad, and you can just stay in that mindset. Or you can go to the other side of your brain and you can say, well, with the right amount of mindset and with the proper strategy, I can design a growth strategy that will, where I can rebuild my business just better. So that decision is really up to you. What we are doing here in this accountability mastermind is we meet every week, and it is a environment of positivity, an environment of positive thinking, an environment of opportunity. We are covered by a confidentiality agreement. There are others just like you who need to change their business, who need to expand who they are, who need to go really deep inside of their creativity, their innermost, what am I here to do? What am I being called to do? What am I supposed to be doing right now? If that is you, please register and sign up. I made this a no-brainer. It's $67 a month. There is no minimum. You don't get a better price if you pay for the whole thing for the whole year. It's months by months, because I want you to be here because you want to be here. I want you to show up. I want you to get a lot of value. If you ever at any time feel that that's not the case, you leave. You tell me. I mean, it's months by months. You cancel and then you leave the following months. If you are ready to look actively for the opportunity right now to rebuild your business just better, join us. $67 a month. That's it. 4 times a month, plus the vault, where all of the previous episodes that we recorded are available for you to rewatch and reuse at any given time. It would be my honor to be your coach and to also assist and support you in making that next step of your journey the best one yet, because that's what my intention is. And that is what my intention is for you. So what do you say? Shall we?